Assalamualaikum, a very good morning. This morning, we are going to Tanjung Sepat, Banting, just to check out what's there and then looking for a spot to have breakfast. So let's go.
Good morning, folks. Here we are again. So today we are going to a place called Nasi Lemak Buluh, and it's claimed to be viral. Okay, so we're taking the highway today. We are on right now the SKVE, South Kelang Valley Expressway, and we're heading towards Banting. Crossing this river, I think this is Sungai Langat. Actually, I know it's Sungai Langat because I looked at the map before we left. Not too sure about this road the map app is taking us. Looks like the Plantation road ahead. A bit of road, light off-road. Cows. Okay, we should be nearing the Eatery now. Should be on the right side, coming up soon. Alrighty, we are here at Nasi Lemak Kukus Buluh. It came to be viral, so let's go in.
Hi, we are here at Nasi Lemak Kukus Buluh. Viral. It's supposed to be viral. So we drove like almost 1 hour and 10 minutes or 15 minutes just to get here. The restaurant is actually out of nowhere in the middle of palm plantation in somewhere also in kampung, but it's nice. We have not tried it. The nasi lemak is cooked in bamboo, so that's why it looks like that. And it's supposed to have that smell of bamboo smell when you roast it. Yeah, our toast is here. Say, bagi ais warm dulu. Thank you. Ambil ke depan. Oh, okay, thanks. So here's my coffee. So let's try this. This is cockles rendang or sambal rendang kerang with eggs and also just sambal. So let me try the nasi first. The nasi is really soft. A bit unique lah. Because the way they cook it. And I tried the kerang. The rendang kerang is nice. come in and join us here. See, there's so many people coming. You can zoom that side. So many people are coming and to have breakfast here since it's viral, right? All this mamak motor, including us. Okay, bye.
Alright, let's now take a look at how this Nasi Lemak Buluh or Nasi Lemak in bamboo is made. I hope they let me pick at the back here. There we go. Right there. See, they steam the Nasi Lemak in wrapped in banana leaf inside the bamboo. So let's head back towards another route, I think, out of here. I'll probably take the same highway later. So folks, I think I'll end the video somewhere here. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and do leave a comment or two, and we'll be seeing you again in the next video. Bye.